trying not to press the button. Mittens, where you going? Oh my goodness. Yucky, yucky day. Hello. Hello. I think that's Gray Boy. Oh, that's the new one. It's, I don't know. There he is. There's Gray Boy. That's the new one. Hi, buddy. Mitty. Mittens. Or is that Tigray? No, that might be Tigray. Because Gray Boy's going over there. Alright. Yeah, that's Tigray. Okay, it's not the new one. Oh, thank God. Although we have seen the new one on the porch eating, so we know that. Oh, I gotta turn you guys. So he knows where to find the food anyway. That's for sure. Come on. Alright, so I brought out extra cans because it's super earlier than I usually feed, but I have an appointment, so. And today's my mama's birthday. I got lots of stuff to do. Hi. You look smart. Oh, you're all wet. You're all wet. And now that we know that the new one knows where to go to eat, the fact that the big bowl at the bungalow doesn't have any dry food in it doesn't concern me because everybody knows to come up here. Oreo, cow. So they're super hungry. They will come up here and they will investigate for food. So and I'm gonna make sure there's enough wet food and dry food, and when I get back from everything, I'm gonna go put dry food over at the bungalow. Make sure I got everyone covered. Even though there's only 5 out here right now, I'm gonna put 6 cans down. And someone will come out of somewhere. I don't know. Yesterday I had to come back out because I saw Oreo and I said, dang it. Alright, so it's gotta be fast this morning. But I'll scan over the cats as always. Hi, Tigray. Nope, yeah, Tigray. Mittens. Yeah, mittens. Grumpy old men. And Gray Boy. But, God bless you. And on that note, look at that cute little face. I gotta go. See you tomorrow or later, maybe. Who knows? Bye.